Hi guys, this is Unpacking Paper Collections and I have two new items prepared for today. I can't wait to show you one of them because these are my childhood fears. The monster from the game Papa Louie, then the Demogorgon, Creeper, the evil robot Sandy from the Jellyfish Country series, the Freddy Bear, and the Gorilla in the Land of Nightmares. I was actually really afraid to watch this cartoon. And also the clown from It. And by the way, we have perforation at the back. And the second new product smells like strawberries. I really like this collection because it's about me. I really want to smell like strawberries in real life. That's my hyperfix and I hope you understand me. And let's choose some bag from the collection. Here, let's finish one collection, your association with me. We have this little thing in the bag, then we need to peel off a little later, okay? And the collection Guess Who is Grinch from Smishar. Of course, we have already guessed them, but it's so interesting to look at their costumes. Today, I want to join the souvenir, the iPhone case collection. I want to choose this one. We must open the number 5. Continuation of this my collection, then you see here. I'll take the my complexes collection. And good pizza, great pizza. I'll probably take this one. And all that's left is to choose from new collections. From childhood fears, I don't know, write in the comments which bag to choose in the next video. But today I want to choose Coralina in the Land of Nightmares. This one. By the way, we have such a bottle opener at the back here. Let it be something like this. So we peel off this little thing. It says here to open the last packet first. And now we will open this charity collection. This one. So let's go. My electricity was just cut off because I'm from Ukraine. The first collection was from Sharky. Where is she? And today we will open Sarunia. This is where we'll blow it. She has a suit like this, Santa Claus costume. We need to glue it like this. She said that she saved customs and prepared Olivier salad, which was ruined by cabbage. I really want to open a collection of childhood fears. It's really very interesting. Well, let's open the phone cases. Let's guess a number. 1, 2, 4 and 6, 7. I want to get hit by number 4. This is number 1. With the snowman. Okay, let's move on. I want to open this complexes of mine. And again, we guess a number. I want to be number 1. Now is the number 7. I have a big forehead complex. By the way, here's a spread for the new collection, but I want to show you the second one. Okay, open the collection cosmetics. Today we came across a primer for face. And we have 2 collections left, which we will now unpack. Let it be pizza. And by the way, please subscribe my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel and my Pinterest. Let's try unpacking this bag. Get pizza with ham. Look guys, we have 6-7. Others stalking us. I know it's cringe, but it's okay. So let's open your association with me. I really like this collection and today it will end. Well, today we came across such a leech. It's the hero from the cotton of Lunatic. So the collection My Childhood Fears, and I'm choose the number 3. This is number 6. This fox emoji means I'm afraid of foxes, which is probably why I'm currently watching zombie movies because foxes carry zombie rabies. I hope you understand me. And stay tuned for more surprises from this collection in new videos. And so the last collection smell like strawberries. And we have a bottle opener like this. And I'm thinking of the number 1. This number 10. This is so beautiful strawberries perfume. I think it smells so good. I will try even harder with the next collection, so follow my channel please. I love you all, thanks for watching. Goodbye.